we'll release over in the coming months many different things. I think they'll be very cool. I think before we talk about like a GPT-5 like model called that or not called that, or a little bit worse or a little bit better than what you'd expect from a GPT-5, I think we have a lot of other important things to release first.
What are you excited about in 2025? What's to come?
AGI.
O3 Mini. O3 is a very, very smart model. O3 Mini is an incredibly smart model, but really good at performance and cost.
OpenAI is poised to make a significant impact in 2025 with a suite of innovative projects that promise to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence. From the highly anticipated Orion, which aims to elevate AI capabilities, to artificial general intelligence, these advancements reflect OpenAI's commitment to integrating AI and AGI into diverse applications. And the development of operators signifies a leap toward autonomous task execution, while ongoing efforts in robotics and customizable enterprise solutions highlight the potential for transformative changes across industries. As these projects unfold, they will shape the future of AI technology and its role in everyday life. Let's explore these groundbreaking technologies one by one that you won't want to miss.
Hey, figure one, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
OpenAI is actively expanding into robotics, signaling a strategic shift from software to integrated AI-driven hardware solutions. Recent job postings reveal plans to develop custom sensors and computational elements for autonomous robots, aiming to seamlessly blend advanced AI capabilities with physical embodiments. Leading this initiative is Caitlin Kalinowski, formerly of Meta's AR division, who joined OpenAI in November 2024 to spearhead the robotics and consumer hardware efforts. OpenAI's robotics team is focused on unlocking general-purpose robotics and pushing towards AGI-level intelligence in dynamic, real-world settings. They are working across the entire model stack, integrating cutting-edge hardware and software to explore a broad range of robotic form factors. This move underscores OpenAI's commitment to advancing AI by creating intelligent systems that interact with and adapt to the physical world, potentially revolutionizing industries through the deployment of versatile, AI-powered robots.
What's the one big unlock? Is it a bigger computer? Is it like a new secret? Is it something else? It's all of these things together. Like the thing that OpenAI, I think, does really well.
OpenAI's upcoming AI model, codenamed Orion, is anticipated to be a significant advancement in artificial intelligence. Initially slated for release in December 2024, recent reports indicate that the project has encountered delays due to technical challenges and escalating costs. Orion, officially designated as GPT-5, has been in development for over 18 months and is intended to be a major leap forward in AI capabilities. However, internal evaluations suggest that Orion's performance gains over its predecessor, GPT-4, are modest. OpenAI is addressing these challenges by refining its training data and algorithms to enhance the model's performance. Despite the setbacks, the company remains committed to advancing AI technology and is adjusting its strategies to overcome the current obstacles.
Conmigo was built with the help of OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT. Its potential is staggering, but it's still very much a work in progress. It's being piloted in 266 school districts in the U.S. in grades 3 through 12. We went to Hobart High School in Indiana to see how it works.
OpenAI's AI-powered educational tools are transforming teaching and learning by offering personalized support and streamlining administrative tasks. Educators utilize ChatGPT to develop quizzes, tests, and lesson plans, enhancing curriculum development. Students benefit from AI-driven personalized tutoring, study guides, and career preparation assistance, such as resume reviews and mock interviews. Collaborations with various organizations have led to the creation of AI assistants like Conmigo, which serve as virtual tutors for students and classroom aides for teachers. These tools facilitate interactive learning experiences, providing immediate feedback and enabling students to engage with complex topics more effectively. By integrating AI into educational settings, OpenAI aims to enhance learning outcomes, promote individualized education, and reduce the administrative burden on educators, thereby fostering a more efficient and engaging educational environment.
25.
What are you excited about in 2025? What's to come?
AGI.
Now let's talk about very groundbreaking projects like artificial general intelligence, O3 and Operator. The company is actively pursuing the development of artificial general intelligence systems that surpass human intelligence across diverse cognitive tasks. CEO Sam Altman recently expressed confidence in OpenAI's ability to build artificial general intelligence, indicating significant progress in this domain. A notable milestone is the O3 model, which achieved an 87.5% score on the ARCAGI benchmark, surpassing the human benchmark of 85%. This accomplishment suggests that O3 has reached or even exceeded the artificial general intelligence threshold, demonstrating advanced reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. OpenAI's advancements in artificial general intelligence hold the potential to revolutionize various sectors by automating complex tasks and accelerating scientific discoveries. However, these developments also raise ethical and societal considerations, including the need for responsible deployment and alignment with human values. OpenAI acknowledges these challenges and is committed to ensuring that AGI benefits all of humanity.
O3 and O3 Mini. O3 is a very, very smart model. O3 Mini is an incredibly smart model, but really good at performance and cost.
OpenAI has introduced O3 and O3 Mini, advanced AI reasoning models designed to enhance problem-solving capabilities in complex domains such as coding, mathematics, and science. Building upon the earlier O1 models, O3 employs a private chain of thought mechanism, enabling the AI to internally deliberate before generating responses, thereby improving accuracy and reducing errors. In benchmark tests, O3 has demonstrated superior performance. For instance, on the GPQA Diamond benchmark, which includes expert-level science questions, O3 achieved a score of 87.7%, significantly outperforming its predecessor. Similarly, on the SWE Bench Verified, a software engineering benchmark assessing the ability to solve real GitHub issues, O3 scored 71.7% compared to 48.9% for O1. OpenAI plans to release O3 Mini to the public in January 2025, offering a more accessible version with varying compute levels to cater to different user needs. These advancements underscore OpenAI's commitment to developing AI systems capable of sophisticated reasoning and problem-solving across diverse fields. OpenAI is set to launch Operator, an advanced AI agent designed to autonomously perform complex tasks on behalf of users. Scheduled for release in January 2025, Operator can execute actions such as writing code, booking travel, and managing online transactions without continuous human prompts. Unlike earlier AI models, Operator operates independently, utilizing web browsing and other tools to achieve specified goals. For example, it can plan a complete travel itinerary, including flight and hotel bookings, based solely on a user's initial input. This development signifies a substantial leap in AI capabilities, moving beyond simple chatbots to fully autonomous agents capable of complex, multi-step tasks. OpenAI's Operator aims to enhance productivity by automating routine activities, allowing users to focus on more strategic endeavors. As AI technology continues to evolve, Operator represents a pivotal step toward integrating autonomous AI agents into daily life and work. What you think about OpenAI's coming projects? Let us know in the comment below.